Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
In this video, we show you the engine start process as well as a takeoff with an SF50 Vision Jet made by Cirrus Aircraft. Video footage was provided by Waddell at the Newnan Coweta County Airport. Thank you very much, Matt, for the footage.